Hi there, welcome back to the Cottage Community Idea House. A lot has happened since the last time we were here. Let's take a look. Hey Jerry.
Hey Chris, how are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Things are moving along.
Yeah, we're on a tight schedule here. We've been here about 14 weeks and we got another 8 weeks. We're going to have furnished models.
8 weeks you're going to be done.
Yeah, well, that's the schedule.
You do keep to a schedule, we know that.
Yeah, well, we're having supply chain issues, you know, and we're ordering early and we're storing stuff and we're trying to make accommodations. If we can't get certain things, we work around it.
Yeah, the site is definitely filling up. You got material everywhere, things ready to go inside. You've got the roofing done?
Roofing done, skylights, sun tunnels, the windows are in.
And if all of that's happening on the outside, that tells me a lot's happening on the inside as well.
Yeah, inside we're finished with plumbing, HVAC, and electric. They moved to the next building. So now we're insulating here today and tomorrow, and Monday we'll be sheetrocking.
Sheetrock already.
Yeah. It's quite a process. We had about 60 people here this morning, and they're starting to, I need a traffic cop. It's getting busy around here.
Progress is impressive. Things are looking great. You mind if I take a look around?
No, please do.
As installation continues here, Jerry's wife Sandy, who's also the interior designer of Grey Rock Homes, is getting started at one of the other buildings.
This is a 10-unit community. There are 10 homes. They'll be multi-generational. So we tried to find a balance between the modern open floor plan concept with a feel that some of the older generation would be comfortable living with. So on the first floor, we have the primary owner's suite, and then it opens into the open floor plan, which has your kitchen, a dining area, and your living space. So this is really exciting for me because I get to design 10 homes in the same development differently. And this allows me to choose all kinds of different tiles and fixtures and make each home feel special.
Now that the sheathing's done, getting the buildings weather tight is an essential part of the process. Jerry's with our roofer to talk about it.
Well, Andrew, it's really great working with a younger person in the industry. You know, when I started 40 years ago, you know, we didn't know whether to put the tar paper under the shingle or not. There was no technology, no internet available. Now with all this new technology, it's amazing. You know, how are you finding that all of these things interrelate?
Well, we've noticed that with the new technology, it's just made it that much easier to install, so we can be on to the next project that much quicker.
You know, not only do we expect that these roofs will never leak, the results you get are great. The material is an important part, but certainly we got to make sure that we install it the way they design it, because it is an integrated system. So your guys are great. I've been working with them now for a few days, and the way things are managed and the control of the materials, I really enjoyed working with them. It's been a good experience.
All right, well, those put out some light.
Yeah, Chris, these natural light tunnels are great to get light into the interior spaces, the closets, the bathrooms, the inner hallways. Of course, it's great to have natural light.
You got spray foam in your roof deck and not on the walls. Tell me about that.
So we like to get the envelope where we have slope ceilings in order to get the R value and not to have ridge vents or soffit vents. So we get a nice tight seal there without any concerns about humidity or moisture. So then we use the bats and all the exterior walls and the interior walls as well for sound attenuation. We like to keep a nice envelope, and we'll introduce some outside air and circulate it so that we can control the environment.
That's smart. That's really smart. No air loss.
Nope.
Air sealing at the roof deck. Air sealing around the perimeter with the panels and the tape.
And then we put the solar panels on, and we think, you know, we're about as energy efficient as we can be.
Yeah, that's great. All right, so looks like wood, feels like wood, but I turn it over and...
It's wood, but it's a special wood. It's engineered, right? These are strands. So 100% of the tree is used in this product. It's engineered. The strands are all treated. So all the way through the board, it's something that's guaranteed not to, you know, warp, crack, no termites, etc.
Oh, that's
pretty
great.
good warranty on the product. And what I like is that it's primed and painted. Now this, of course, is the lap siding, and we have a little board and batten over here and a different color in the middle. But once we get this product, we put it up, we're pretty much done other than a little touch up on the nails. So it precludes the need for a lot of caulking and a lot of different after installation type thing. The selection of colors is really good, and they've all been, you know, professionally tested, you know, market tested. So we know if we pick one of those colors, we're going to get something that's going to look modern and appropriate for our architecture.
Jerry, again, great job on the progress. You're moving along. You guys are doing great work. Looking forward to seeing some finishing stuff next time. Until then, I'm Chris Ermides.
I'm Jerry Effren
with the Cottage Community Idea House.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.